This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. So choose from the following practices. My students, we are doing all of them. You're welcome. Image bug match. A. All right. Match a buggy HTML code with the description of its bug. Ooh. Okay. So SRC attributed is spelled incorrectly. Oh, this is a super common one because SRC stands for source. I often think screen, so I'll put the C first, but that's wrong. It's a source. So R comes first in source. So let's see. SRC is correct. SRC. Whoop. SCR. So I'm thinking, oh, do I drag? Yep, that one. Boom. All right. SRC and, oh, well, that one's matched. SRC, oh, what am I doing here? SRC and alt attributes are switched. Okay, so this one should be easy, right? Because we need the SRC first. SRC's first, SRC's first, SRC's first. So this one looks strange when it's not. Wait a minute. What are they doing to us? That's not switched. There is no SRC there. Oh, so when they say switched, they put SRC in the right spot. But they mixed up the file name. So keep looking. Brown dog, is that right? Oh, well, neither of those are right. Neither of those are a file. It would have to have a dot after it. That doesn't seem right either, but that I don't think is it. So they're switched SRC. Wait a minute. Alt. Boom. I think it's that one. The file extension .jpeg is missing. Okay, so that would be in the SRC tag, right? Because src.jpg, that looks good. Well, that one doesn't have a dot. Oh, but that's alt. It's over there, but it has one. Oh, this one has no .jpg in it. Huh. The file address is not given as a src attribute. Oh, yeah. So what this is saying is we do src and then we do the file's name. At least we're supposed to. They don't have good examples here because they're all broken. This one doesn't even have src in it. Boom. There's a space in the file name. Ugh, don't do this. It breaks everything. You need to do a % and a 20. Don't get me started. Let's see. Victory. Good thing. That could be embarrassing. B. Debug the missing image. All right. There is an image of balloons. There is no image. Oh, that's funny. There's an image of balloons, is what you expect, but there's no image. Yeah, that'd be what we call the problem. Huh. Alright, so, oh, and I see pink stuff. So, students often will be like, well, Mr. Kaiser, this is on 2 lines. That's weird. It could be on 2 lines. It can be on 1 line, as long as you have, like, the quotes and stuff correct. So let's see here. I'm actually going to go ahead and put this on the line. It can sometimes help me read it. Sometimes students hate that and leave it like this. So what I notice is starting on line 10, it's pink. Line 9 is pink too. So it's saying, wait a minute. Right here, there's an issue. Well, what could the issue be? I'm just going to go back. Okay. So we have that. Do we have that? We have a closed little less than. Do we have a greater than? I mean, we have a greater than. Do we have a less than? Yes. Okay. We have a quote here. Do we have a closing quote? An opening quote? Yes. Okay. So that should be fine. We have alt. Do we have an equals? Yes. Okay. Let's go up. Image space. Yep. src. Yep. Equals. Balloons.jpg. Huh. Well, is that a file name? Yep. Do you see it yet? Yes, see it? Think. We need quotes around our image names. We have an opening, but not a closing. Sometimes, if you go back all the way like this and do an equals, you could even click on it and it will auto-generate this. So you might forget to do it on your own, but you do need quotes. Onward. Debug the missing image. Okay. Half dome. There is an alt text, but no image. Alrighty. Let's take a peek. Half dome Yosemite. Ooh, I bet that's pretty. So this is annoying because I don't see pink code. Do you? No. Unless I'm like imagining it, I don't see any pink. Which means the computer doesn't see an error either. So it doesn't even see something obvious. I'm going to start like I did before, symbol by symbol. So here's my image tag. The first thing I always do, guys, actually, is this. Is this actually an image? And it looks good because I hover over it and it shows me something. But Yosemite. Y-O-S. Y-O-S. E-M-I-T-E. Dot JPG. Dot JP. Yep, that all looks good. So, then what? Okay, I'm going to start at the image. We have a less than sign. Do we have a closing? Yep, we have a greater than. we have an img, great, that should work, space, scr. That sounds a bit strange, because it should be source, oh, let's keep going, equals, okay, that looks fine, quote and a quote, that's fine, alt, right, and there's a space, equals, that looks fine, quote and a quote. Okay, so let's start thinking about the tags here. Did they give us any hints? How do I add an image tag? So if you get stuck, use the resources they give you. IMG SRC. It stands for source. See what I mean? SCR. Has to be SRC. Quapow. Onward. Debug the missing image. Pikachu. There's a second image of Pikachu. There's alt text, but no image. Game Boy. Okay. Like I always say, I'm going to first start with this gameboy.jpg. So, does this image exist? If I hover over this, guys, you see how it shows me a Pikachu? What if I hover down here? That's strange. Well, let's see. Gameboy.jpg. Gameboy.jpg. Yep, that looks fine, right? Just like costume, capital C, costume, capital C, .jpg. Gameboy, capital G here, capital G here, Game Boy J. Wait a minute. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Capital G is a yes, but what about the B? Refresh and save. You sometimes have to. Awesome. We did it. I remember that Game Boy. I'm old. Add alt to an existing image. All right. Alt is for alternative text. See on the page load proper. Yeah, if the page is loading wrong, they'll show up. They'll also use by screen readers for people with visual impairments. Read the HTML, add a descriptive alt attribute. Okay, so we have lanterns. That's kind of cool. So an alt tag, I'm just going to put behind this second set of quotes, do a space, alt equals, and now I'm going to put quotes, which is shift, and I'll use a double quote, and I'll say lantern lights. You just want to kind of explain in a really brief way what the image is. Now I'm going to go down here to line 12. Let's see. Oh yeah, there's the Eiffel Tower. I'm going to do a space after the quotes, alt equals, and I know it's in Paris, so I might say Paris space Eiffel Tower, or maybe just Eiffel Tower. That could be good too. Just make sure it's totally wrapped in quotes. And if you do it right, it won't pop up because these images are working. All right, and then finally, ooh, I love Brazil. Okay, so Brazil, so I'm going to go after this quotes, alt equals, put my own quotes, and I might say Rio, ooh, wow, Brazil. And is that all it needed? Alts? Yep, cool. Onward. And finally, add a new image. Add an image to the end of this cake recipe. Don't forget to use add image button and include an image tag in your code. Okay, so let's go get one. Through the magics of the internet, I already have one Googled here. I'm now going to do, and I'm on image, tools, usage right, Creative Commons. Tools, usage right, Creative Commons. And I know I can use these image. So I might click on, nope, I'm going to look for Wikimedia. Because I know how to use, oh, that's okay. Wikimedia is just one we use a lot. Sure. So not really a cake, we're going to go with it. Click and visit. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead now and right click on this image and save image as. Spectrum, yep, that's fine. You could also right click here and save it. All right, now I'm going to head back to my page and do add image, upload. Here it is. Open that. Great. Click. Now let's give it a good name. So I'm going to do rename cake. We'll just call it. Okay. Now they want me to add it to the bottom of this. Now if you get how to do an image tag, how do I add an image right here? I'm just going to copy this. In the interest of time, highlight that, right click and do copy. IMG, SRC, we got it down at this point. And it's at the end, so I'm going to go to right above where body tag is, /body, and hit enter. And this is the very end. So line 17, I'll paste. Now I don't have a dog.png. I have a cake.jpg. Cool. and then dog jumping. I'm going to say yummy cake. Yum cake. And it asked us to do the attribution line, so I'll do a paragraph here. And then I'm going to close my runaway, because otherwise I forget. And let me go back to my image, and I got it from here, so I know, okay, it's from Joy, and it's Wikimedia Commons, and it's CC 2.0 for mine. And yours might not be this detailed. I know what this is by looking here. I can even click on it and get more info, CC by 2.0. So, but my attribution is, and I might even say it by or something so they know, but Joy Wikimedia Commons, and I'm just following the format we've done previously. Boom. Okay. And we're good to go. We did it. Onward.